All right, this lesson is all about homographs. Now, maybe you're thinking of homonyms like 2, 2, and 2. Homonyms is a general word that can refer to homographs and homophones. Homographs is what we're looking at today. So these are words that are spelled the same. Graph has to do with writing or spelling. Homo means the same. So they're spelled the same, but they have different meanings. Sometimes you say them the same, sometimes you say them differently. For example, there is this word right here. It could either be lead, like please lead the class to recess. So the person that's like in the front is leading everybody else, or you lead your dog. Or same word, same spelling could mean lead. Like we say pencil lead, or lead is a really heavy metal. Another example, okay, could mean bow, like you take a bow in front of people. It could mean bow, like a violin bow. It could mean like you tied the string in a bow or your shoes in a bow. It could even mean the bow of a ship, which I believe is the front of the ship. Okay, so one word, same spelling, can have different pronunciations. So there's a whole list of them. And notice you're not underlining anything. You're picking 3. You're looking them up and writing the definitions. So pick 3 on here and write the 2 different definitions. So tear and tear, or close and close. Now, these ones you might be a little more familiar with. The ones on top are interesting because it's like, why are there underlining? The underlining is telling you where to put the emphasis. For example, these 2 right here. We have project is this one. So I'm going to do the project with my friends. Here is project. I'm going to project the image up on the wall or show the image. We have object and object. Okay, object is like a thing. Object is where you say, no, I disagree. You don't agree with somebody. Okay, so that's what all these ones up here have to do with, where you're putting the emphasis. Rebel and rebel. Record and record. Okay, so it's a little tricky, but if that's confusing, the ones on the bottom are maybe a little more straightforward. And if you're still confused, that's why I'm here. Okay, this is a new thing that you might not have learned about. So that's what school is all about, right? Learning something new. In this case, how words can be spelled the same, but mean different things. Your code word today is your, Y-O-U-R, your. As always, let me know if you need help.